In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add bundle product in Shopify. So as you can see, I have these two products here, which is gaming mouse and gaming keyboard, and I wanna make a bundle out of it. So to make it bundle, there is no such option of adding bundle within Shopify. You can see if I select both of these products and click on these three dots, you can see there is option of adding collection, but there is no option of adding bundle. So to add a bundle in Shopify, we need to add a plugin, or you can say app. So to add any app in Shopify, we need to go to apps here from the left panel on our Shopify dashboard. Once you click on it, then we need to go to Shopify App Store, and now it will take us to the Shopify App Store. We need to wait for a moment, and once it loads, here we need to search for bundle app, and then it will load all the apps currently Shopify have related to bundles. So this is the Shopify bundle app which Shopify has created, but you can see many paid apps as well. You can try them if you wanna pay for an app, but I don't wanna pay for it. That's why I'm gonna select this one, but it does have some limitations which we talk in later of the video. So to install this app, we need to click on install, and then it will start installing the app on our Shopify dashboard. So once it loads, you can see the Shopify bundles app has now been installed on my Shopify dashboard. Now to create a bundle, we'll see this interface. Here we need to click on create bundle, and now name your bundle. So let's say I wanna name it keyboard mouse combo. Once you type your title, then click on select products, and now it will show you all the products your Shopify store currently have. I just add two products because it is a sample store. I have selected both of these products, and one of the limitations of this app is that you can only add up to 30 products in your bundle. So this is one of the limitations. So I have selected both of my products here, then click on select, and now it will create a bundle here. You can see both products bundle has now been created. Now we need to click on save and continue. But if you want to edit something for your product, then you can just go to edit, and under it you can rename your option. You can set a default value for your product, or you can choose your quantity and all. So if you want to add multiple quantity in your bundle, so let's say I want to add 2 keyboards and 2 mouse in my combo, then I can make it 2, but I don't want to do it. That's why I'm gonna reduce it to 1. And now we need to hit save and continue. Now it will take us to the next step. For the next step, we need to enter the details for our bundle, such as title, description, images, category and all. So first of all, I have added the title here. Now I wanna add a description. For that you can manually type it, or you can generate it using AI. For that I need to click here, and now add a prompt here. So I just wanna add a basic prompt here which will be keyboard and mouse combo. So I just need to paste it here, and now we need to hit generate. Now our description is generated. We need to hit keep, and then our description will be added. Now I wanna add media images for my bundle. So for that we need to hit upload new under media and select the bundle image. So this is the only image I have, but you can add multiple images which you want. So let's say I want to add these 5 images. I can simply select them and then hit open. Now all my images have been uploaded. This is the front image, but I don't want to make it front, so that's why I'm gonna drag this image and make it front like this. You can rearrange any images you want like this. So this is the process of adding images. Now you can choose your category. So my category is in technology, so I'll just select tech from here like this. And now we need to scroll down here, and you can choose variants. Remember that this bundle also limits variants, so you can add only up to 30 or 100 variants in your bundle. So these are the 2 variants I have for my product. Then we can also add variant images here. You can also change your quantity for your variant. Now we need to scroll up here, and you can change your status from draft to active to make your bundle active on your Shopify store. Now our product status is active. To save these changes, we need to hit save, and now to preview this bundle, we need to hit preview button here, and then it will take us to the preview site. Here you can see the product name. We can also see price and variants as well. If you want to add new products, then we can simply click on this plus icon, then new products will be added. They can add to cart, buy it now, and you can see all the images here. But the image size is way too big, that's why they are not fitting properly in my site. But you can upload your images according to your website. Now if I go back to my dashboard and go to apps here, then we need to filter it by apps, and then we can select the bundle app here. And now you can see all the bundles have been added on my bundles app here. We can also see the analytics for our bundles, like how many sales they did, how many orders we got. And if you go to the products page on your home page, we'll see the bundle details here as well, which will be inventory, category and all. If you wanna add a product inside your bundle, then select your product from here like your bundle, then we need to scroll down here, and if you want to add a new product, then for that click on this edit with bundles, and then it will take you to the bundle app, and here we need to click on add products, and then we can add the product which we wanna add inside our bundle. So this is the complete process, but this bundle app have some limitations. If you wanna avoid them, then paid for a bundle, and that will support everything for your Shopify store. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.